Hey, look what I just got off a TikTok shop. This is the best gadget of 2024 for me, and I'll tell you why. This is a face tracking tripod. My wife's on the camera right now, walking around the kitchen, and this is following her, as you can see. And the best part was there was no programming that we had to do. There was no Bluetooth connection. Literally, you plug in this USB-C, charge it up. I think it came pre-charged, but I charge it just in case. Stick it in the thing, turn it on, and voila, you're in business. I really like it. This changes the way I FaceTime with my family. You should try it too. Get them while they're hot, because the first time I tried to order them, they were sold out. I had to wait a week. So get yours now. I put a link below to make it fast and easy. And make sure you get this one. You don't want an imitation, you want the real deal. And you'll get it from 2 Live True. Have a great day. How's that?